Morning guys, so it's VidCon day 2 today. I've just woke up. It's like, well, I woke up about 20 minutes ago. It's 20 past 10. We had a bit of a lie-in today and I'm about to go get Roxy to go get some breakfast. I've literally just put my contact lenses in and then I put the tiniest bit of concealer on, but I don't really think it's doing anything because I'm really tired. So yeah, let's go get some food. So today I'm having hash browns, beans and bacon, but they didn't really have much like left. These were like the last scraps of the beans. And then I'm also gonna get some cereal as well, just because I'm really hungry. So I'm having a bit of a dilemma on my outfit. Like I'm either gonna wear this t-shirt dress. Oh yeah, I need to do my makeup. I've just like showered and been chilling in my room for a bit. But I'm either gonna wear this t-shirt dress with like a belt to like cinch my waist in, and then my black like heeled boots, or basically, excuse my face because I'm just like about to start doing my makeup, but I forgot to bring with me the pair of trousers that I wanted to wear today. I was gonna wear a pair of like black skinny trousers that have like a belt on them like attached already with a bodysuit, but I forgot the trousers. So I've either got like jeans and that bodysuit, or I've got this t-shirt dress and I really don't know what to wear. I think I'm gonna have to ask Roxy, but oh my god, it is such a nice day today. Look at this blue sky. It's so nice out there. So I don't know, maybe I could get away with the t-shirt dress. I might be a bit cold and it's a bit out of my comfort zone, but I kind of want to do it. So this is my outfit of the day. I feel like a little bit out of my comfort zone because I don't normally like get my legs out. But I've got my same boots on as yesterday. This t-shirt dress, which is from Motel. I do have a pair of pajama bottoms underneath just in case, I don't know. I feel like yesterday we were on a level where people could like see up our skirts, like a higher level, if that makes any sense. And then my belt is from I Saw It First. It's like a dupe of the off-white belts. And then yeah, I've just curled my hair. Makeup is exactly the same as yesterday. I've got like the Maybelline foundation. My lip liner is the NYX Sunstorm lip liner with a little bit of lip balm. I've got my Extra Spice palette on, literally just one shade. And then my lashes are by Unicorn Cosmetics. I think they're the Bubble Pop lashes. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so this is my full outfit. I've just added on my jacket. Also my little pass thing that actually matches my belt. I did not intend for that to happen, but it does. I put some highlighter on my legs. I don't really, yeah, you can kind of see it there. Just because I thought, I don't know, I wasn't planning on having my legs out, but because I forgot my other trousers, I thought I would highlight my legs. Because it's a rare occasion that they're actually on show. So I'm just gonna head to Roxy's room. But yeah, I really like my outfit today actually. I think I'm gonna start wearing t-shirt dresses more because it's quite cool actually. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so frustrated. Basically, I just went downstairs to collect, because like yesterday when we checked in, they gave us like a pack with some stuff in it. It had like a t-shirt and like a hard drive, which was like a kind of like gift thing from from VidCon. But I left it like behind the desk and said I would come back and collect it later. And I just went down to collect it now because like I thought the check-in thing was still going on. But on Sunday, the check-in closes at 12 and it's now like 10 to 1. So I have no idea where my stuff is, but I think I've missed that chance. But yeah, me and Roxy and Anna are about to head over. I'm just outside Roxy's room. I'm gonna see you in a bit. I'm with Roxy and Anna and Hannah, our lovely manager, and yeah, we're just about to head into our meetup now, which I'm really excited for. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm hoping it will be okay. I'm sure it'll be fine. All of you guys are super lovely, so yeah, excited.
Thank you for being so lovely. So we've just come to the end of our meetup. We made it! We made it to the end. Everybody, these are our last girls that we've met. Waiting around. And we're now done. Yeah, cool. How did you guys feel about it? It was good. Really good. Yeah. Did you enjoy yourself? Enjoy you've been so lovely. Thank you so much. And I hope you have a lovely birthday in a few weeks' time. Thank you. Enjoy Lanzarote, was it? Yeah, enjoy. Okay, see you guys in a bit. Right, so this is like the main stage bit. It's actually huge. I haven't been in here before. So I was pretty much just like hanging around in the little like Instagram lounge bit for a while. I found Talia and G. I haven't seen Talia in freaking ages. I don't even remember the last time I saw her, but I managed to find her. I managed to find her and G, and they took some outfit pictures for me. Thank you guys. And then they've just gone off to watch like the main stage kind of performance thing, because like JJ KSI is performing, and I think a couple of other people, I think maybe Gabby Hannah as well, which I'd really quite like to see. But my boyfriend's coming up to London to join me like for dinner and stuff, just because I thought like while I've got like the hotel here and everything, like we may as well make the most of London and like go for like a cute date night, and then we're probably gonna like spend the day in London tomorrow as well. But like I have one of these, but he doesn't have like any sort of pass or anything, so we can't go in and watch the show, which is like really annoying. But yeah, I'm excited that he's coming up, and I think I'm just gonna chill for a bit until he gets here in my hotel room, because I'm knackered. It's been such a good weekend. Like I've enjoyed meeting so many lovely people, and yeah, just thank you guys if you came to our meetup. It was so much fun, and also just like everyone that I've spoken to has been so nice. So if you did like come and say hi, thank you so much. But yeah, I'm very tired. It's been good though. I might end this vlog here, just because I feel like I've probably got like enough footage for it, but I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. I'm gonna try and vlog more. I know that I suck with my vlogging, and like no doubt this will probably go up like really late, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.